You get paid Friday. By Monday, you're checking your account like something thief your money. And deep down, you already know this month's going the same way. Let's be real. You're working, you're earning, you're trying, but every month you end up right back at zero. Bills don't take most of it, groceries expensive, taxi alone feel like a second rent. And the worst part, you can't even point to one big thing you spend it on. It just gone. Here's what most people don't realize. It's not just your salary, it's how your money is handled. Right now, everything is mixed together. Bills, food, spending, emergency, all in one place. So every time you spend, you don't actually know what money you're using. That's the real problem. Mistake number one, spending before you secure. You get paid and you just start spending right away. Food here, a quick buy there. Nothing feels serious until bills come in, and now you're short. Mistake number two, no structure for your salary. Most people don't tell their money where to go, they just react. Pay this, handle that. That's not control, that's survival. Mistake number three, same cycle every month. Every payday, you reset. No system, no correction. So you repeat the same problem again and again. All right, let's fix this properly. Simple, no long theory. From now on, you're going to use a simple system. Every dollar you get must go into one of these: bills, living, food and transport, personal. The minute you get paid, you divide your money into three parts. Not in your head, actually separate it. Because once money mix, you lose everything. Your bills bucket is not for touching. Rent, light, phone, handle that first. Now you remove pressure early. Your living bucket is for food, transportation. This is where most people lose control. So you break this into weekly amounts. Your personal money is your flex money, but once it's done, it's done. No dipping into bill money. Once you follow this three-part system consistently, your money stops disappearing randomly. If you're around a workplace long enough, you start to notice how money pressure affects people's focus after payday. So here's the truth. You're not broke because you don't work hard. You're stuck because your money is mixed, you don't have a system, and you're reacting instead of planning. Fix that, and everything starts to change. Now, this is just step one, because splitting your salary is one thing, but knowing exactly how to plan it properly, that's where real control comes in. How to budget your salary properly is our next video. Watch that next. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.